As you know, there's a 4-year-old girl known as Baby Veronica back this morning with her adoptive parents. She is at the center of a 3-year custody battle involving her biological father. It went all the way to the Supreme Court. Elaine Quijano is with us. Elaine, good morning.
Good morning to you, Charlie and Nora. We first sat down with Veronica's adoptive parents, Matt and Melanie Capobianco, as well as her biological father, Dustin Brown, over the summer. The Capobiancos told us how they were there for Veronica's birth and raised her for the first 2 years of her life, while Dustin Brown told us he misunderstood and never meant to sign away his parental rights. It's a heart-wrenching case that could soon be coming to an end. Late Monday evening, Veronica's biological father, Dustin Brown, handed the child over to her adoptive parents, Matt and Melanie Capobianco. It's the culmination of an emotional 4-year-long battle between Brown and the Capobiancos that began shortly after the South Carolina couple began the process of adopting Veronica in 2009. Her unmarried biological mother gave permission for her to be adopted by the Capobiancos. Though Brown had surrendered his parental rights before Veronica was born, he objected to the adoption. As a Cherokee, he cited a federal law protecting Native American children from being separated from their families and tribes.
The only people that could really give you your history of your ancestors is your family.
The South Carolina Supreme Court ruled in Brown's favor, and since 2011, Veronica has lived with him and his wife, Robin.
Everybody just needs to realize that she's happy. She's very happy here with us.
But the Capobiancos appealed, and this past June, the United States Supreme Court ruled against Brown because he gave up his parental rights. Then a South Carolina court finalized the adoption. Still, Brown objected and tried appealing the decision in Oklahoma, where he's raised Veronica for the past 2 years. The Oklahoma courts issued an order that kept Veronica with Brown and brought the two parties to mediation. But when those talks broke down, the court dissolved its order on Monday, paving the way for Veronica's return to the Capobiancos. Cherokee Nation Attorney General Todd Hembry, who had been aiding Brown's fight, said Veronica's return to the Capobiancos was peaceful as he spoke to a crowd of Brown supporters.
It is a bad day for the Cherokee Nation. It's a bad day for Native children everywhere. But more importantly, this is a bad day for the Brown family and for Veronica.
Hembry has suggested that Brown will continue to fight for custody, while the Capobiancos, who declined our request for an interview, released a statement through their spokesperson saying their long legal nightmare has finally come to an end. They will likely head back to South Carolina and once again resume their life with Veronica.
She's not coming to strangers. She knows us. We love her. We're going to take good care of her. Let's just all try and get along and do what's right for her.
The Cherokee Nation Attorney General says Veronica packed a bag of toys and clothes before she left her biological father to be taken to her adoptive parents. According to the official, the Capobiancos promised Brown would remain an important part of Veronica's life.
Elaine, thank you.